Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food, is perhaps well quoted by Hippocrates about the benefits of garlic. Garlic, Allium sativum L, is a vital vegetable broadly used as a seasoning, flavoring, and in culinary preparations. Alongside its miles utilized in folk drug treatments for curing numerous maladies. Garlic includes a range of phytochemicals that play a critical function in the renovation of human health and prevention. Garlic has many proven benefits, and some of them are discussed below. Rich nutritional profile with low calories. Garlic is a rich source of manganese, vitamin B6, and vitamin C, with a low number of calories. It also contains other vital nutrients in trace amounts. 3 grams, 1 clove of the garlic contains 0.06 gram fiber, 1% of the daily value (DV) of selenium and vitamin C, 2% of DV of vitamin B6 and manganese. It also comprehends a decent amount of vitamin B1, iron, phosphorus, copper, and calcium. Amazingly, all this comes only with 1 gram of carbohydrate, 0.2 grams of protein, and only 4.5 calories that make it nutritionally very rich. Heavy metal detoxification. Garlic contains a sufficient amount of sulfur, and its high doses have been found useful in decreasing organ damages from the toxicity of heavy metals. According to a study, garlic significantly reduces lead toxicity and symptoms of its related diseases. Improvement of athletic performance. Garlic is one of the earliest performance enhancer substance. In ancient cultures, it was traditionally utilized to increase the work capacity and decrease the fatigue of labor. It can significantly improve the physical performance of the people, especially those who are facing the problem of cardiovascular diseases. Impact of garlic on estrogen level and bone health. Garlic enhances the estrogen level in females and helps in minimizing bone loss. A daily dose 2 gram of garlic extract can decrease the deficiency of estrogen in menopausal women. Effect on longevity. Infectious diseases constitute a significant threat to human life, especially in people with a weak immune system and elderly. Garlic has the potential to fight against infectious disease and is also found to be effective against many chronic diseases. Moreover, it can also help control the issues of blood pressure and ultimately may assist in living longer. Prevention of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Free radicals boost the oxidative damage that contributes to aging. Garlic possesses antioxidants that support the prevents the oxidative damage. High doses of garlic decrease oxidative stress and cholesterol level. These properties of garlic make it very beneficial in reducing damaging dementia and Alzheimer's diseases. Effect on miscellaneous diseases. Apart from the above given benefits, garlic and its extract are effective against the following diseases as well. Cholesterol level. Garlic has the ability to lower the bad cholesterol (LDL) without affecting the good cholesterol (HDL) and triglycerides. Hypertension. Garlic is very effective in decreasing hypertension by lowering blood pressure. Common sickness. Garlic and its supplements are well known for strengthening the immune system that helps in tackling several common diseases like the cold. Heart diseases. Positive effect of garlic in decreasing LDL cholesterol and hypertension and strengthening the immune system make it very effective in preventing heart diseases. Easy to include in the diet. Garlic is very delicious and can easily be included in the diet. It completes many dishes, especially sauces and soups. It comes in different forms, including powders, smooth paste, whole cloves, and supplements like garlic oil and garlic extract. It can incorporate a strong taste to many bland recipes. Conclusion. Garlic has many nutritional and health benefits. It is very delicious and can be easily added to routine diets, i.e., in dressings, sauces, soups, savory dishes, and many more products. Everyone should include it in the usual diet to get its enormous benefits.